In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send money with Sendwave to Ghana. Whether you're new to Sendwave or just need a refresher, we've got you covered with a straightforward guide. We'll walk you through the entire process, ensuring that you can confidently transfer money to your loved ones in Ghana. First things first, head over to Sendwave and look for the country flag icon located in the top right corner of your screen. When you click on that, you'll be presented with a list of countries. Simply select the Ghana flag from this list to make sure you're set to send your money to the right place. Next, you'll need to fill in your personal information. This includes your name, date of birth, the purpose of creating your account, your billing address, as well as your zip code, city, and state. Ensure that all these details are correct, as they are crucial for the transaction process. Taking a little extra time to review this information can save you from potential hassles later on. Once you've entered all your details, click on the Finish button. This action completes the setup of your account profile. After doing so, you will be prompted to choose the primary reasons for your money transfer. This step is important as it helps Sendwave understand the nature of your transaction. It could be for family support, a personal expense, or even a business transaction. Following this, click on Continue to proceed to verify your identity. Identity verification is a key security measure that protects both you and the recipient. Here, you'll need to select the country of your identity document and then choose the document type you wish to use for verification. Take your time to double check these selections to ensure they match the documents you have on hand. After selecting your document, hit the Continue button. This will move you forward to the identity verification screen. When you're ready, click Start to begin the verification process. You'll be asked to follow several on-screen prompts, so pay close attention. Once the process is complete, click Done to finalize this step. After your identity verification is accepted, it's time to start recording your face. This step might seem a little unusual, but it's part of ensuring that your account is secure and it's really you making the transaction. Just follow the prompts and you'll be guided through recording what's needed. Finally, hit Continue and you're set to start sending money to Ghana. With everything now verified and set up, you can proceed with confidence, knowing that you're using a safe and efficient platform to support your family or friends abroad. We hope you found this tutorial helpful. Thank you for watching, and happy sending with Sendwave.